Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, September 2nd. Now let's talk about the holiday weekend. These markets all had normal closes on Friday. They're going to open again at 5 o'clock Sunday night Chicago time, except the grains. They don't trade on Monday. Now Monday we have shortened sessions. So stock indices, interest rates close at noon, energy and metals close at 1:30, FX closes at 4. All these markets open again at 5 o'clock Chicago time Monday night, which means that will be for a Tuesday trade date. Now let's talk about the price action. We had some fundamentals that came out basically as expected. As we talked about in the advanced video, the closes we've seen in the stock indices have varied a little bit in terms of their level of commitment, but commitment is what we're seeing here in the NASDAQ market. Now, if you haven't looked at these videos before, a solid line like this green line represents buy level, the red line represents a sell level. The dashed lines means that that's something that occurred earlier in the week. Now with these videos at dangramza.com, you can go, they're free, and you can go back 10 years and see what was I saying, what was the market doing, where were these red and green lines moving to as the market unfolded. So here in the NASDAQ market, we have the difference between this sell down to this buy level. That difference was $3,240 a contract. The difference up here between the buy and sell there is $400 a contract. And what are we looking for? I look for a sideways to only slightly higher movement on Monday. The Dow, the difference between the buy and that sell level was $945 a contract. Also a decent close, but Monday's action is going to be important for confirmation. Over in the Russell, let's see what's going on in that market. Difference between the buy and sell level is $5,700 a contract. Now, the difference here between that buy and sell level is $350 a between this sell level and that buy level is $350 a contract. Again, inside day is expected for that market. Clean close, not so much, but it's making an attempt to the upside, and that's what we're seeing a lack of when it comes to the euro. From this buy level to that sell level, that's $1,900 a contract. Dollar is in control. That's what it's showing us. Be careful here in the Swissy. That may be slowing down. Buy level to sell level in that market, $612.50. And it's also approaching levels that we found buyers before. But we're not seeing in Mr. Yen. It's heading its way back down. But be careful here. This is a logical level for a bounce if you're on the short side to the long side. And in the Aussie dollar difference between the buy level here to that sell level is $450 a contract. I do look for continued weakness in the currency, so dollar stronger. Dollar difference between the buy level and sell level in the pound, $1,925 a contract. Sideways move I'm expecting. Now the Canadian dollar. This one is very interesting because it's weaker, but the bias is for another move to the upside. And it's kind of a neutral zone trade, so don't expect a lot of directional movement there on Monday. Buy level to sell level here in the Canadian dollar, $1,220 a contract. Bitcoin dollar difference between the buy level here to that sell level is $8,570 a contract. And what we're looking at here in the market, that it's not sure what it wants to do, and I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. But let's talk about the 10-year notes. The yields are going up. Expect that to continue, but a small range on Monday. Same thing here for Treasury bonds. I'm not looking for a big day down or up in that market. In the gold market, the difference between the buy and sell level, $600 a contract in that market. What about silver? Well, silver, the dollar difference between this buy level and that sell level is, yeah, $450 a contract. No, it's not. It's $1,150 a contract. Over in copper, sideways move is what I'm looking for. Fundamentals do not support a big move. The difference between the buy and that sell level, $250 a contract. Crude oil, difference between the buy and sell level there is $1,970 a contract, and the difference between the sell and buy level there is $400 a contract. I don't see any reason for a bounce here, but be careful if we have an inside day on Monday. Nat gas is so cheap. Are people going to buy it? Well, they're not really showing a strong hand at this point, although they're present and they are buying the break. The difference between the buy and sell level there in that market is $1,600 a contract. If we look at what's going on in beans, demand is picking up, but can it be sustained? That's the question mark. $150 between that buy and sell level and our friend the beans. And over in corn, dollar difference between this buy and sell level was $350 a contract. Again, demand seems to be driving these grains. Wheat's in the same boat. Dollar difference from the sell to the buy level in that market is $800 a contract. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a terrific weekend and take care.